the product life cycle. New products are important because of company existing products may be aging. The product life cycle is a common marketing concept that describes how products evolve over time. Like people, products are born, grow, mature, and eventually decline. So, importante jud sa mga business owner or sa mga entrepreneurs nga maggama sila og mga bagong product. Kay example, if ang ilahang product nga ilahang naggama karon, kay mo na siya kanang pwede na siya mo dili na mo patok sa mga karamihan sa mga tao. Then ang katungmay mo mga customer pwede sila mo balhin sa laing mga competitors nimo. The stages are market introduction, when the product is first launched, market growth, when sales increase rapidly, maturity, when sales stabilize, decline, when sales starts to fall. So, ang market introduction, mo ni siya ang imong product kay imong nang i-introduce sa imong mga customers or buyers. And then, gagmay pa lang ang mamalit sa imuha. Dili pa kay siya sikat. And then, sa market growth, when sales increase rapidly, so mo ni siya, nisikat din imuhang product, and then, daghan ng mga customers or buyers ang mupalit sa imuha. And then, maturity, when sales stabilize. So, ang maturity, many people buy already. Many people already buy it. Sales are steady, but diri na musulod ang imuhang mga kakompetensya. So, sa decline, when sales start to fall. So, ang decline, people lost interest sa sa imuhang product nga imuhang pangbaligya or kanang dili mo choose sila og laing mga product pero dito pod sa imuhang kakompetensya. Or pwede pod ang imuhang product kay di mo stop na siya og sold sa mga customers or imuhang buyers kay kanang wala na sila interest. Sure. Diffusion of innovation. New products spread among people like a contagious disease. Early adopters, those who like trying new things, get the product first and show it to friends. Their excitement and recommendation spread through word of mouth, helping the product reach more people. So, ang diffusion of innovation, it shows how a new idea or product is spread from few people to many people. Example, nipalit ka og bagong cellphone or bagong shoes ana, and then you show it to your classmates or sa imong mga friends, and then nagustuhan nila ni, so they might also buy it or kanang palit pud sila, and then katong imong friend na pud siya friends or classmate nga nagustuhan pud tong cellphone or kanang sapatos, ilaha pud tong mupalit pud sila ginato. Mana siya spread among from people to many people. How do new products and brands extensions fit in marketing strategy? New product planning start with analyzing the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats or SWOT. Along with its goal, customers play a key role because they decide whether to accept a new product. Products are adopted faster if they are better than existing ones, fit customers' lifestyles, are easy to use, and can be tried first. Companies also study competitors to clearly show what makes their product better. Since firms have many products at different life cycle stages, they must balance investment. Some products need funding while others generate cash. So, new products and brand extension help a company grow, stay competitive, and meet customer needs. They are part of a marketing strategy because they help attract new customers, keep old ones interested, and increase sales. So, new product planning looks at the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, ang customer, sila may mag-decide if your product is succeeds kay sila may mo palit sa imong product. And mas gusto sa mga customer kay ang imong product ay easy to use and kanang useful pud siya. So companies also compared with competitors and balance money between old and new products. So strategic thinking about growth. Market penetration means we're hunkering down and trying to sell more of the same stuff to the same customer. So ang market penetration means selling more of the same stuff or product to the same customers nimo. Example, sa juice tang, o di ba kay dili sila mo kanang maggama sila dili sila mo gama og laing product, pero maggama sila og same nga product, like maggama sila og mga ilahang mga flavor sa tang orange, nay orange, nay grapes, nay pineapple ana. And para mas maka-attract sila og mga customer or mas mo-increase ang ilahang profits. Product development is for the company that wishes to be innovated. New or modified products are offered to the current customer base to keep them happy. So, ang product development po, guys, is the process of creating new products or improving an existing one to meet customer needs. Example ani, kanang sa fast foods, example sa fast foods kay na Jollibee or McDo or Mang Inasal. So sa Jollibee na sila baligyang burger, and then nag-add sila og mga promos or discount kay para ang mas maka-attract pud sila og mga customer, like buy one take one or 5%, mag-add sila og mga percentage or discounts. So, market development is the path we take when we're settled on our product mix and we think there are segment opportunities target. So, ang market development means selling your existing product to the new customer or new places. So, example ani milk tea shop or example ani si Banox na lang. Diba kay na naman si example si Banox na siya brands diri sa Manukan. So kinahanglan ang si Banox moadto po siya sa laing-laing lugar kay para dito pud magtayo sa ilahang sariling branch and na mga new customer nga pugpalit sa ilaha. So ang market development is kanang ibaligya nimo ang imuhang product pero dito na sa laing lugar and sa mga new customers ang mga palit. So, and last is diversification is the toughest. We're going after new customer with new product. So, ang diversification, selling a new product to a new market. It is a growth strategy where the company tries something completely new. Example, kanang phone, example kay ang phone company, di ba ang phone company kay mamaligya raman silang cellphone, and then they start selling smart TVs or smart watch. So diversification is when a business enters new market with a new product. So kanang ang diversification daw mo enters kanyo og new market and then with your new product pod.